how to turn off or on support requests notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on support requests notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find the storylines in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then click from Instagram. And as you see here, you can turn it off just by one click, and you can turn it on again. Just select on and then just go back, and that's how to manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.